Seeing these beautiful blooms gives us real happiness because of it is the hard work that has paid off. So beautiful. Flowers in the morning. This is my Aparajita plant. They are really very good in flowering. See, these are beautiful flowers of Aparajita. This is known as Shankh-pushpa or the conch flower as well. They are in two varieties, white and this blue. And this is also known as butterfly pea. I don't have the white one with me yet, but I would love to add it in my garden. These are the seeds of Aparajita. It has to dry it out to get a plant out of it, seedlings. So this is still green, it has to turn brown. After flowering, remove all the flowers from the plant because to encourage more flowers. Here also I'm going to remove them. So old flowers you have to remove for it to flower more. So this is a seed of Aparajita. This is a dried one. So I'll show you the seeds. So here I have collected some of the seeds from Aparajita. You can grow them easily with these. So or else you can cut a strong stem of the Aparajita plant and grow. It's really very easy. Put it in water and keep for some time, and after that you can put it to soil when it rooting well. Butterfly pea plant needs a lot of sunlight to grow, and they have to be exposed to morning sunlight, at least about 7 to 8 hours of sunlight for this plant to flower. This is actually a medicinal plant, and also there are many benefits of this Aparajita plant. So this is one of the easiest plants for you to grow during the summer, and also this is one of the must-have plants in your garden. Locate this plant in a area where it gets a full sunlight. That is very important. And also you can water this in summer in the morning, and once in the morning will do not overwater this plant. This plant is attracted to a lot of butterflies and birds. I have seen sunbirds coming to this plant, but I was unable to capture it in my camera. This plant I have put on the ground, not in a pot. So location should be a very bright sunlight area. Do not overwater this plant. And also I use banana peel fertilizer for this plant, and that is really very beneficial because there are a lot of nutrients in the banana peel. So I will show you how I put it to the plant. This is banana peel fertilizer which I kept for 48 hours. What you got to do is you have to cut some banana peels and keep it in water. Better if you can keep it for 48 hours. And I have added some eggshells as well. So now I'm going to put it to the plant. You can add it to the root. Even the pieces, never mind, because they get dried out very soon. At least twice a month give fertilizer to this particular plant and this beautiful plant in your garden. If you are planning to put it in a pot, see that it is ample enough for the plant to grow really well. So time to time you will have to repot, otherwise it will get root bound. So those are the basic things that you will have to consider growing Aparajita plant or the butterfly pea. Thanks for watching. If you are new, consider to subscribe to my channel for upcoming more new videos about gardening and gardening tips.